Right now in the markets, specifically for AI and big tech, there are two main bear cases that we at Wall Street Game Notes are starting to pay a little more attention to this week. The first is the aggressive spending, that super high CAPEX number that just seems to grow and grow on every quarterly earnings report. The big data center plans, all of the AI infrastructure investments, and the lack of clarity on the potential return on those investments, both in terms of when and by how much. The second is the valuation case. Basically, a lot of these companies have seen their stock price rise dramatically without necessarily having the earnings increase to back that up. It's interesting because the market, of course, knows about both of these risks, but the bull cases have won out in recent history as stocks have been up and to the right. That said, we just got through earnings season and two companies reported and they each got hit for one of these reasons. Meta for the CapEx reason and Palantir for the valuation reason. And we think this is sending a signal to the broader market as most of the companies in this space, and this is where it gets really interesting, are exposed to at least one of these risks. Either they're spending dramatically on CapEx or they're potentially overvalued, have seen their stock price rise and don't have the earnings to necessarily back that up. Something we're watching in the markets as we saw volatility last week kind of trickle into this week. We'll continue to keep you posted. As always, let us know your thoughts. Be good.